Hello guys, as you can see, DeepSeek AI has released a new model named DeepSeek V3. It is completely open source. It has 671B total parameters and 37B activated parameters. In evaluations, it even beat Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4o in some parameters. It is a really smart and great open source model. So, in this video, we will tell you how to use DeepSeek V3 for free, and also we will do its reasoning test and snake game coding test against Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So let's start. Search DeepSeek AI. Visit this site. Click here. Here we need to log in or sign up. After logging in, we can use it here for free. Let's check the model. As you can see, it's DeepSeek V3. So, let's begin the reasoning test. First, the popular strawberry test. Asking it to tell how many are in strawberry. It answered correctly with 3. Next, we will try some of these. Trying this one. It's, what English words parts signify a male, a female, greatness, and a great woman? It answered heroine, which is correct. See, the answer is heroine. Now, this one. It's, what devours all, gnaws iron, grinds stone, slays kings, and levels mountains? The answer is time, which is correct. Next, from here. It is a popular riddle. Alice has 4 sisters and 1 brother. How many sisters does her brother have? The answer is 5, which is correct. Next up from here. A boy and a doctor were fishing. The doctor is the boy's mother. It is very simple but can be complex for AI. The answer is mother, which is correct. Next up is this difficult test found on Reddit. Let's copy it. The actual answer is 3,841. Trying this one. It is trying hard but still far from the real answer. It gave us a very long response. Still, it has not figured it out. So it is a fail. So that concludes the reasoning test, in which DeepSeek V3 performed well and answered all questions correctly. Expect last one. Now, the snake game Python test. First, DeepSeek V3. This is the prompt. Waiting. Code is generated. Let's try it. It is a working game. It has a few issues. It doesn't have barriers that a snake game should have. Now, trying Sonnet 3.5. Using the same prompt. Wait. Code is generated. Let's try it. It has an error. Let's ask for a fix. Let's try it. It is also a working game. It has a few issues. The first is the size of the window is larger. Let's fix the size. Also, I think it has barriers, but they are not visible. So it is not perfect as well. So both models are not perfect in coding. Conclusion: DeepSeek V3 is a great open source model. It is great at many reasoning and coding tasks. So, please give it a try. Thanks. That's all.